Good evening. My name is Atolagbe-Oyinloye, and I have a class I want to take, and I just want to take you through how to do your own DIY book cover. So I'm on Canva already, and I just clicked on book cover, right? So let's see. Is it inspirational? Is it romance? Is it thriller? Is it notebook? Is it vintage children? Art illustration, architecture, recipe, novel, food journal. It depends on what you're going for. Let me choose business. So sorry, bear with me with the network. So thank God it's coming up, right? So just choose a template here. I would like to go for a simple design. So I'm actually working on a course titled "Running a Profitable Sponsored Hat." How to run a profitable sponsored hat. You'll see that some are paid. You have to pay for them, while some you can see paid in some areas, while some can see paid, while some are free. You know, I realize that the paid ones are usually finer than the unpaid one. No, did I click on something important? Try to become a successful businessman. Start your business. Benjamin Shah. Okay, so let's do this. I wish I could get an already made picture, because I don't have a picture where somebody, maybe I should have downloaded on Google, right? But let's see. Why are we running? Let me be patient a bit, because I don't want to rush. Let me try this. So this is paid. Let me tell you. But it's good if you can pay for subscription. I think there's monthly, there's quarterly, there's annually. Is a good one that will allow you to explore more, and be able to have many options to choose from. I didn't pay, so I'm just using what we have at the moment. I prayed loads, so we can quickly work on it. This thing is getting longer than I thought. Okay, fine. So mine is running. So I just clicked on it, so it's going to change. It's going to edit running a. Let's do this. Okay. Before I go ahead, so that we don't get confused, you can see that the font is a bit big. So I'll go to this lower part. You can see font size. I click on it. It's 176, so I reduce it to what I want. That would make running a profitable. So let's go to the next one. Font size, reduce. I think I was using 92 also. Running a profitable sponsored. Sponsored hats. No. She's going back. You click here there. Hats. Right? So let's see. drag it down a bit. If you don't like the way this one is running, is you don't like the way it is, you can come here font size, reduce a bit. So let's drag this up a bit. What's happening? Why is it not dragging? Can see that is making sense. Now, I purposely left a beginner's guide in running a profitable. So I purposely left it, right? Now I purposely left to be a professional because I think it will add to what I was thinking about. It will add to the effect of my package. Now you can see that Canva is written on it because this is paid. So Canva will definitely be. But if you want to change the picture, you can edit. You can remove watermark. But you have to pay for it. So it's taking me to where I can pay. So let's go back. So put my name, I edit by Olufunke. Let me tell you something. These courses, these little books can be put on what's it called? I just forgot now. So what I do is I screen munch because I know I didn't pay for it. Then I edit. So I already have a book cover now. There's another platform where I'm going to make it look like a real book, but that's not for this class. So I already have my testing. So beginner guide in running a profitable sponsored ads, right? Be a professional in business.